Hi, good family. Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome in. Thank you for joining us. So today I want to talk to you guys about sprouting. If you are not sprouting, I want you to get into it, okay? Because I love sprouting, as you probably can tell by my collection of sprouting seeds. I was just about to do some sprouts for the week and I said, hey, why don't I make a video so I can tell everyone else how great I think sprouting is. And no, I'm not just joking. I am so serious, you guys. So sprouting can be very nutritious. Obviously, I want you guys to do your own research, but there are a lot of studies on sprouting. And just last year, the American Heart Association News published an article and they talked about how sprouting is more nutritious than eating whole cups of vegetables. Eating nutrition-dense sprouts and microgreens would be especially helpful for 9 in 10 U.S. adults who, based on federal survey data, don't consume adequate amounts of vegetables. Wow. All of these here are different, but I do have some that I have opened already and I have extras of some of them. The ones that I currently have open are the broccoli. I have the 5-part salad mix open and the protein powerhouse. All right, where should we start? Okay, so we're gonna start right here. This right here is the crunchy lentil feast. Lentil feast, a mixture of French red and green lentils, is high in protein and easy to sprout. It tastes great and can last up to 2 weeks when refrigerated. Amazing. Okay. It takes 2 to 4 days to harvest. 2 to 4 days, cannot beat that. Okay, this is the alfalfa sprouting. Alfalfa sprouts are one of the most popular, diverse, nutritious, and delicious sprouting seeds. They're easy to grow, fresh and earthy flavor pairs well with any meal. All right, it takes 5 to 6 days to harvest. All right, this is the radish or the Daikon radish. Radish sprouts are crisp, slightly hot and tangy like tiny radishes. They sprout well with other seeds and add a spicy flair to any dish. Harvest in 5 to 6 days. Okay, next we have green peas. Sprouted green peas taste as if freshly harvested from the garden. They are also rich in anti-inflammatory and antioxidant nutrients. Harvest in 2 to 4 days. And this next one is the protein powerhouse. So if you guys are looking for protein replacement, this is a good one to get. The protein powerhouse is a blend of sprouting seeds. It contains aduki, garbanzo, mung beans, and green peas. Put on top of salads or in your favorite stir fry. It actually doesn't have a time for harvest on these. It has NA, so I normally do 5 to 6 days if it doesn't have a harvest time. Next, we have the red clover. Red clover sprouts are high in protein, essential amino acids, vitamins, minerals, iron, and calcium. Red clover emits a fresh aroma and has a sweet and spicy, robust taste. You can harvest these in 5 to 6 days. I'm telling you guys, get into it. These are the garbanzo beans, and they are also known as chickpeas, you guys. Garbanzo beans make for a fresh, warm, and earthy sprout. Make an enzyme-rich hummus when sprouted and mixed in a blender or add on top of any salad or sandwich. It is a 2 to 4 day harvest. Next on the list is a 3-part salad mix. The 3-part salad mix contains organic alfalfa, radish, and broccoli. This flavorful mix with its crunchy texture is great on salads and sandwiches or stuffed in pita. So this takes about 5 to 6 days to harvest. It's really good. I do like using the salad mixes. These are the broccoli sprouts. Broccoli sprouts have recently become popular after it was discovered that they abound with phytochemical sulforaphane. And it takes 4 to 6 days to harvest these. Next, we have the 5-part salad mix. The 5-part salad mix contains alfalfa, radish, mung bean, lentil, and broccoli. You won't find a more nutritious salad, and it takes 5 to 6 days to harvest. Next up, we have the bean salad. High protein mix both in quality and quantity. Freshly sprouted beans are sweet and crunchy, so you can eat them straight as a raw, on-the-go treat or as a power booster to any meal. And it takes 2 to 4 days to harvest the bean salad. The last one we have is the mung beans. Mung bean sprouts have a crisp, crunchy texture and a flavor similar to fresh peas. They are a tasty addition to salads and Asian main dishes, and it takes 2 to 5 days to harvest these. So you guys, that is my collection. Again, I had some that I have already opened and I'm about to sprout some. If you have not tried sprouting, it's very, very simple and easy to do. I definitely encourage you guys to try it. Depending on where you're located, you can do these inside. It only takes you 2 minutes a day. And if you're going to consume them every week you just start a new set. What I do is in the mornings when I get up and get ready to get my day started, I will rinse them out. So I'll put water in the jar, swish it around, pour it back out, and just leave them to drip dry. And then before I go to bed at night, I'll do that process over. And it literally takes about a minute each time. So you're spending about 2 minutes a day to get some fresh sprouts in your home. So if you know, like I know, when you go to the grocery store, you can spend a small fortune on sprouts, but you can do it yourself. DIY it, okay? Do it yourself at home and save you some money. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. I will do a video where I just show you guys the process. Again, it's very, very simple, but I will show you the magic. Anyway, you guys, that's all I have for today. Let me know if you sprout and how you feel about it. Until next time, drop seeds of hope, knowledge, and nourishment. Blessings.